Hey everyone, Bortone here, and welcome to day 7 of the 12 days of AI tools. And today we're talking about presentations, specifically how to create them in minutes instead of hours. So if you've ever stared at a blank PowerPoint slide or Google slide wondering what to do next, this one is for you. We're going to open up door number 7 and dive in and look at Gamma, an AI powered presentation builder that creates beautiful professional decks from just a prompt or an outline. So in a nutshell, you describe what you need and Gamma generates a complete presentation with slides, layout, design, even content. Think of it as having a designer and presentation specialist on call 24/7, except they work in seconds instead of days. Now, you might be thinking, hey, doesn't PowerPoint have AI now too? Yes, but Gamma is built AI first, and the difference is like night and day. So here's the thing. Traditional presentation tools make you do all the heavy lifting. Blank slides, manual formatting, agonizing over design choices, finding the images. Gamma flips that script completely. You just bring the ideas, and then Gamma handles the structure, the design, the layout, the polish. So for anybody who does presentations, pitches, webinars, training, or client proposals, this tool is amazing. And here's what I really like about it. The presentations don't look like templates. They look like custom designed, something that you do. And then you can export it to a PDF to create a freebie maybe, share a link, or even present directly from Gamma. I've used it for client pitches, conference talks, workshop materials, and you can even make websites. But getting back to slides, what used to take me days now takes 15, 20 minutes. Gamma has 3 tiers. There is a free version with limited credits, plus the Gamma branding, or you can get a plus version for just $10 a month, and that gives you 400 AI credits monthly, and it removes the watermark. They also have a pro version for $20 a month, which is unlimited AI usage and priority support. So my take is start with the free version, test it out, see if it works for you. And then even with that, you get enough credits to create several presentations. But if you're creating pitch decks or PowerPoint or webinars regularly, the plus plan at $10 a month is a steal for what you get. I'm on the plus plan and I've yet to hit any limits. So how do you actually use it? First, go to gamma.app, sign up for free, then click Create New AI and choose from Generate Prompt, paste in text, or import a document. Then you just describe your presentation, the topic, the audience, the number of slides you might want, and Gamma generates the deck, does the whole thing, the design, the content, the layout, the images. It's really flexible. It's very customizable. They've got many different templates that you can use. Gamma called slides cards, so don't be thrown off by that. A card is basically just a slide. You can present, share, or export. So here's a real world example. I needed a 10-slide pitch deck for a marketing proposal, and I just typed, create a presentation on video marketing strategy for small business coaching company, including benefits, process, case study, and pricing. A couple minutes later, I had a professional deck with slides, design, and even suggested talking points. I did customize a few things and put in my logo, but really, really quick and easy. This isn't just faster than PowerPoint. It's better than what most people can create manually. So here's the bottom line on Gamma. Creates professional presentations or websites in minutes. The AI handles the structure, the design, the layout. You can use it for pitches, for webinars, presentations, trainings, proposals. This is the presentation tool I wish I had 10 years ago. All right, so day 7, we're at the halfway mark. 5 more to go, and tomorrow we're opening up door number 8, and it's all about audio AI. Don't forget to subscribe to the AI Today podcast for weekly episodes on tools, tips, and strategies to transform your biz. Thanks for watching AI Today, and next time you need a presentation or a pitch deck, try Gamma. This is Lou, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 8.